Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can get the transfer pin from Straight Talk. Okay, this transfer pin is also known as a port out pin. And this is what you need to do. First things first, you need to log into your Straight Talk account. Okay, you can do this either online or through the Straight Talk app. You'll have to log in, make sure you have your login details. And then what you want to do next is you want to navigate to the account settings once you're logged in. Okay, this is where you can basically manage various settings of your account, including requesting your transfer pin. Then you just need to go ahead in the account settings, look for the option to request a port out pin or transfer pin. Okay, and then for security purposes, they may ask you to verify identity. You might have to answer security questions, go ahead and provide your billing address or confirm your account number. Then after you go ahead and verify, you will receive your port out pin or your transfer pin. Usually they send it via a text message to your existing phone number or an email that is linked to your account. Okay? Then you just note that pin and you can use it when initiating the transfer request with your new carrier. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guy provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.